Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Meet on your laptop and signing into the exact Google account you use for meetings. Once there, click the circular profile icon at the top right. This reveals the current display name and email. Make sure you're changing the right account if you have multiples. This is the first actionable step because Meet pulls the name from your Google account, so we'll change it where Meet looks, not inside the Meet call itself. Once the profile menu is open, choose Manage your Google account and go to Personal Info. You'll see Name, click the pencil icon to edit. You change the first and last name fields here. Do that thoughtfully because this updates Gmail and other services. After you click Save, the account name is updated immediately on Google's side. Make sure to use the name you want participants to see and avoid unnecessary symbols that might be removed automatically. Once done, refresh your Meet tab or sign out and sign back in so Meet fetches the new account name. Join a test meeting and check the participant list to confirm the displayed name changed. If you still see the old name, make sure you edited the same Google account, then clear browser cache or open an incognito window. That forces Meet to retrieve fresh account info. If problems persist, repeat the name edit and give Google a few minutes to propagate the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.